Hello, welcome to another quick video about Ethereum. Really exciting to watch the Ethereum chart today because it is really at a key tipping point. You can see that yellow target box there. We are really at a key tipping point here at the moment. So I want to explain to you where we come from and what I think could be happening next. There are two scenarios and we want to talk about them. So first of all, I talked to you about this yellow target range up here when we were down here at around $4,000 on the left hand side. So we climbed up all the way in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive move to the upside, came exactly into the target range and hit that fib level there. We came exactly into the target range. So from here then, when we came out of the yellow target box to the downside again, I said, look, this is probably becoming now an A, B and C. So that has played out so far. So let's take a look at that. We've come down in a wave A, and I'm confident that this correction is playing out because we came down in an impulsive move to the downside, and an impulsive move always runs in the direction of the higher level trend. So wave A is impulsive, 5 waves within it, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that corrected perfectly. We then came up again in a wave B. Now that wave B here was obviously not finished yet because we haven't come down far enough in a wave C. So we possibly are here in a wave B now. That is a possibility that we are in a wave B. And if we don't get above 4,850, then I think we will come down hard into my yellow target area, which we haven't reached yet. So I would expect this to play out then in the area between 3,200 and 3,800 US dollars, that we come there into a wave C, even lower than the wave A. That is normally what happens, somewhere in this range, maybe even just to the higher support level, to the top of that box at 3,750, 3,800. This is one possibility, and this depends on if Ethereum will now break through 4,850, which is that previous high. If this happens, this ABC, if it plays out as it is indicated on this chart, after this we should see a continuation to the upside. That's what I expect, because this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was a larger wave 1. We are now in a larger wave 2 here. ABC is a larger wave 2. From there we then continue in a wave 3 to the upside to much higher levels. So the alternative is that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, this larger wave 1, hasn't been finished yet, and that actually this was only a minor correction within it, and that the larger wave 1 will end somewhere up there. And this is the case if the A, B and C doesn't play out like that, and if we break through the 4,850 level. This is really interesting, because if we break above the 4,850, then this was only a minor correction, and this larger wave 1 will be somewhere above there. So I think if we get through this level here at 4,850, which is a key resistance level, then we'll get certainly to the 1.272 extension level at 5,500. In that range, maybe even a little bit higher, maybe up to 6,200, even though I don't necessarily expect that. I would expect us to hit resistance here at 5,500. So that's the key level to break. If we break above that, then I expect this level to reach. Now, as I said, at the moment, key tipping point, if we can't even get into this yellow target box, which is now acting as resistance, then I think we will come down again, and this could then look like something like this on a smaller scale. So we had basically here from the top here probably something like that, a 1, 2, a 3, a 4 and a 5. So what that then indicates on a smaller scale here is that you had your wave A there, your wave B down there, and this is a wave C, and then you come down now in another impulse. And again, this might be confusing, but I'll show you in a minute how that works. In another impulse here, probably somewhere 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 into that target area. That is exactly the same that I've just shown you, just on a higher level. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming down in white would then have been the A. That ABC in red here coming to the upside is the B on a higher level, and that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside impulsive is the wave C, right? So looks a bit confusing now, but that is how they work. The Elliott Waves, a wave A and a wave C is always impulsive, consists of 5 subwaves, and a wave B consists of 3 subwaves. So that is how it works out. So key tipping point, that's what I want to communicate. If we get above 4,850, very key level, I think we can get to the 5,500 level. If not, that's a key level. Don't get too bullish. Be always careful, because this is now a key tipping point. Instead of going in now, personally, I would wait if we can break through 4850, because if we don't break it, chances are we get much lower, okay, before we then, however, go up further. So no reason to panic either way, in my view. Both bullish scenarios. One scenario that I primarily expect is actually that we well, no, I don't expect anything, because I don't know at the moment. I don't know. It's hard, because I want Bitcoin to go up as well. Personally, I'm biased here, of course, and to be honest, we don't know. I think, no, I personally actually would rather say that we break through here. And I say that because I think Bitcoin is starting an impulsive move to the upside, in my view. Of course, biased here because I expect we are in a bull market. But in the end, you don't know until the breakout happens. Yeah, nobody has the crystal ball. We can only make assumptions. And these are the two main scenarios that I think are going to play out here, based on Fib levels, based on the Elliott Wave method and the Elliott Wave count. So hopefully you liked that update video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.